Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you actually have medkits and a safe place to use them. Open your inventory eye and pick a medkit. Assign it to a quick slot so you won't fumble under fire. Once you're equipped, move behind solid cover and stop sprinting. Using a medkit requires a short, uninterrupted action, so prepping cover prevents wasted animations. Make sure you're not staggered. If you are, wait until movement settles, then trigger the hotkey for the fastest use. You want to use the quick use hotkey during tense moments because it's faster than opening inventory. Once done, assume a crouch or prone stance to lower how likely you are to be staggered mid-heel and to reduce enemy sightlines. Make sure to check your HUD for bleeding or limb damage symbols. Address bleeding first because it drains health over time. If enemies are close, move a few meters farther into cover before starting the animation so you don't get interrupted and waste the kit. Finish by checking the HUD to confirm health increased and that bleeding or limb icons cleared. That tells you the medkit fully took effect. If the animation is interrupted, enemy shot, or explosion, immediately move to deeper cover and reapply. Interruptions do not always consume the medkit, but can waste time, so treat them as partial failures. Finally, conserve kits by prioritizing stealth and avoiding unnecessary engagements. When possible, use cover and evasion to minimize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.